Hi everyone, today I'm going to build an FPV backpack, but this is no ordinary FPV backpack. It is one that sends 3D video to your ground station or video goggles. As you can see here, I have the Blackbird 1 camera which I got 2 years ago. Unfortunately, this one does not support side-by-side 3D video, so it's not going to work with the Dominator HD video goggles if you have one. It supports view sequential, and if you manage to find a pair of view sequential video goggles, then this will work fine. Now for this project, besides the camera here, I need a video transmitter, and I need one that's really small, but because this is going to be a backpack all in one unit, we don't want a bulky, powerful transmitter. We want one that is powerful yet small. So for the transmitter, the choice I've chosen is this TS5828S. It's 600 milliwatts and it comes in a very small form factor, as you can see here. Let me take out stuff from the box and show you what it contains. Okay, what we have here is the transmitter module, and it has jumpers that supports up to 40 channels. It's really small. I don't need the SMA connector because it adds up weight, so I'm going to remove that and solder a clover leaf antenna directly to it, and the end result will look something like this. Now the thing with this transmitter is it does get very hot after 1 minute of usage, so you definitely would like to add a heat sink to dissipate the heat, and you could do so by adding a heat sink at the back. Just remove the plastic stream tubing, and then you can put on a heat sink at the back like that. Now I'm not going to use a power regulator to step down the 3-cell LiPo pack on the quadcopter for this transmitter because it has a step down regulator built in. As for the Blackbird camera, it supports up to 3 cell, up to 12 volts as stated in the manual, but 3 cell is 12.6 volts in reality, so I have some concern. And since I'm not going to use any step down here, I decided to use the built-in diode here to step down the voltage. So as you can see here, I've soldered this wire on to the end pin here, and this actually outputs about 11 volts, which is safe enough for the Blackbird, and I believe it goes through the noise filtering, go through the low pass, high pass, the coil here, and one-way diode, so the voltage here should be clean enough for the camera. So let me get to soldering all these wires, the one to power the Blackbird camera, and hook up the video and the ground and voltage in directly from the LiPo pack. Once all the wires are done up, I'll show you how it looks like. Alright, I have all the wires hooked up, and notice I've added a ferrite ring here. This is to remove any electromagnetic interference or noise coming from the regulator inside the transmitter module, as well as from the battery power supply, which may be polluted by noise from the ESCs or the brushless models on the quadcopter. And as you can see here, I have the balance connector here, or the charge tap. This allows me to tap power for the FPV backpack from the flight LiPo pack. This is basically a 4S connector, but I've made some modifications to it so it can take a 3 cell or 4 cell. So basically I can use this FPV backpack on a 4S setup or 3S setup. Ta-da! It's done! Here we have it, 3D FPV Backpack. And I 3D printed a mount for it so that I could mount it on my friend's FPV racer. Let's take a look at the video footage. Okay, yep, I'm getting double image, which is good. It's few sequential 3D. Take a look at this door here. Wow. Now let's test the recording of the 3D movie. Before that, I need to turn off the preview because it slows down the processing. Preview turn off and start the capture. Okay, stop capture. And let's play back the video to see what we got.